This is the Cahoon family's vessel. I believe in 1968-69 Katama. We're doing this boat right by really restoring it back to about as original as it can be, with some Metan add-ons, subtle add-ons, such as the beach box, aluminum, U.S. Coast Guard certified, 14-gallon fuel tank. Subtle touches of mahogany. The original bucket seats in the off-white brown piping. Metan chrome over bronze. Classic collection hardware. Bow light. Boys are currently fitting the windshield. We're going to wrap the windshield with matching brown nylon parachute cord.